Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Amira Syafiqah binti Muhammad Razlan. My matrix number 278814. Today, I will present about the energy management pyramid. Energy management encompasses the planning and operation of energy production and energy consumption units, as well as energy distribution and storage. The objectives are resource conservation, climate protection, and cost savings, while consumers have permanent access to the energy they need. Next, I will explain in detail about energy management pyramid. First, we have energy conservation. Energy conservation involves using energy by adjusting your behaviors and habits. Only later can it decrease. For example, like making a poster or advertisement so that everyone save energy consumption, such as turning off the lights when not in use. Second is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency, on the other hand, involves using technology that requires less energy to perform the same function. Introducing control mechanism for lamp. For example, if you previously used a normal light, such as a switch off light, you may use switch to sensorism light that will light up when people pass by. Lastly, renewable energy. Wind and solar power are bringing about a clean energy evolution. Here is everything that you need to know about renewable energy, the different types and the advantages and challenges of it, plus a look to the future. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anis Nurizati binti Rusli. My matric number 278819. I will explain in more detail about the energy management pyramid. As already mentioned, the energy management pyramid belongs to the three. The first one is energy conservation, the second is energy efficiency, and the third is renewable energy. Okay, I will explain the first energy management, which is energy conservation. What are energy conservation? Okay, energy conservation are efforts made to reduce energy consumption by using less service energy. This can be achieved either by using energy more efficiently or by reducing the amount of service used. Energy conservation involves using less energy but adjusting your behavior and habits. Only later can it decrease. For example, like making a poster or advertisement so that everyone can save energy consumption, such as turning off the lights when not in use. That is sufficient to achieve some energy conservation. Energy conservation is incredibly important for several reasons, along with reducing our renewable or non-renewable energy resources like fossil fuels. It also helps save your money on energy costs, including utility bills and other energy bills. For instance, it also helps for sustainability campus, which can save money on energy costs, including utility bills. For example, UUM can save the cost of energy used, especially students and staff who often use energy to perform various types of work or tasks. The second one is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency, also known as energy efficient, is the goal of reducing the amount of energy required to provide products and services. For example, home insulation allows buildings to use less heating and cooling energy to achieve and maintain a comfortable temperature. Involves low cost or medium cost investment, including converting lights to LED lights. Energy efficiency, on the other hand, involves the use of technology that requires less energy to perform the same function. It is also introduce a control mechanism for lighting. For example, if you previously used a regular light, such as a light switch, we can switch to a sensorism light that will light up when people pass by. How does energy efficiency benefit the environment? Deploying such technologies can sustainably reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency also provides other benefits such as economic development, job creation, reduction of pollution, improvement in human health, and alleviation of poverty. For instance, it also helps UUM for sustainability campus, which can reduce the cost of paying the amount of energy used by UUM, whereas lesser than monthly usage. The last one is renewable energy. Renewable energy, often referred to as clean energy, comes from natural sources of processes that are constantly being replenished. For example, sunlight or wind continues to shine and blow, although its availability depends on time and weather. Wind and solar energy brought about a clean energy revolution. Here's everything you need to know about renewable energy, its different types, and its advantages and challenges, as well as looking to the future. Among the benefits of renewable energy are: generates energy that does not produce greenhouse gas emissions from fossil fuels and reduce some types of air pollution. Diversity energy supply and reduce dependence on import fuels and creating economic development and employment in manufacturing, installation, and more. It also helps UUM for sustainability campus, which can be used straight from the environment to generate power. UUM is greenery and environmental area which can easily get the source of renewable energy. So I hope my explanation can give you the understanding about this. About these three of the energy management pyramid. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Manisa Mauraviti Mansur, number metric 278761. I will be talking about the alternative ways to use energy. Firstly, install a programmable smart thermostat. A programmable thermostat can be set to automatically turn off or reduce heating or cooling during the times when you are asleep or away. When you install a programmable thermostat, you eliminate the wasteful energy used from heating and cooling without upgrading your HVAC system. Next, upgrade HVAC system. An HVAC system is composed of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment. Heating alone is responsible for more than 40% of home energy use. Because homes in northern regions are exposed to much colder temperatures during the year, Energy Star gas furnaces have different specifications in the northern and southern half of the United States. Next, we can install the energy-efficient windows. Windows are significant source of energy waste because they can add up to 10 until 25% of your total heating bill. It also can prevent heat loss through your windows, and you can replace single-pane windows with double-pane products instead. Lastly, develop a green building index. A green building index focuses on increasing the efficiency of resources used like energy, water, and materials, while reducing building impact on human health and environment during the building's life cycle through better setting, design, construction, operation, maintenance, and removal. Green buildings should be designed and operated to reduce the overall impact of the built environment on its surrounding. Next, I will be talking about the zero energy building. So what is zero energy building? It is a global programming involving the development of super energy efficient buildings that are integrated with renewable energy application. It is actively promoted by European Union, Japan, Singapore, and countries that are committed to energy and carbon reduction. And Malaysia is suitable in adoption of Japan's zero energy building definition. Next, how can zero energy building help UUM for sustainability campus? Zero energy building is one of the technology that we can apply in UUM campus. It is because it promotes the adoption of super low carbon green building by using alternative method in focusing purely on sustainability energy practice. The UEM campus building must be topped with photovoltaic solar panels, which generate about 10% of the building's energy. The centerpiece of the building is a large central atrium designed to admit and regulate the lighting using an automatic roller blind system that are responsive to the intensity as well as the angle of the incident sunlight. That's all from me. I will pass the presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurdini Bjte Nizam and my metric number is 278797. 5 steps to getting the most out of an energy audit. First, benchmark. Second, plan. Third, audit. 3, implement. And lastly is measure. Okay, first is benchmarking. Energy benchmarking is a method used to determine whether a building is using energy that is pure facilities with similar occupancy, climates, and size. Through energy benchmarking, building editing can be pursued more effectively when determining which buildings are inefficiently using energy. Second is plan. An energy audit can be defined as a process of verification, monitoring, and analysis the use of energy, which can be a part of the technical report, which contains recommendations and action plan for energy optimization together with a cost analysis. Third is audit. An audit is an unbiased examination and evaluation of the financial statement of an organization. Next is implement. The implement phase involves putting the project plan into action. Project manager will coordinate and direct project resources to meet the objective of the project plan. And lastly is measure. A measurement audit is a simple exercise that documents everything you are currently tracking, asking important questions about why you are tracking. By casting light on what is often a dark bit of data, this exercise can identify waste opportunities. Okay, next is Energy Management System Framework based on ISO 50001. Management commitment implies the direct participation by the highest level management and in a specific and critically important aspects such as safety, quality, environment, security, and programs of an organization. Second is policy. An energy management of UUM policy should set out the organization's aims and the goals concerning energy use and management in UUM. The policy should be a public statement about the business energy management goals that can appear in documents or your website. That is energy planning and support. Energy planning has a number of different meanings, but the most common meaning of the term is the process of developing long-range policies to help guide the future of a local and national, even the global energy system. Operation. Operating UUM energy based on EIP, flexibility, scalability, and technology. IEP can manage your energy efficiently to participate in various energy markets. Scheduling and forecasting, real-time operating. And lastly is performance evaluation. Best practice methods and tools for UUM building energy rating, time of sale energy disclosure, review and path forward for building energy disclosure and rating program.
Good morning, Dr. Ghazali and friends. I am Sarinatri, Doctor of Armanathan, and my matrix number is 27853. As a consultant, I'm going to explain about green technology and low carbon energy. Firstly, green technology, term that describes the use of technology and science to reduce human impacts on the natural environment. Apart from that, we can see that green technology, it encompasses a wide area of scientific research including energy, atmospheric, science, agriculture, and also material science, but not to forget hydrology. Apart from this, the aim of green technology is to reduce emissions of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases to prevent climate change, such as global warming and everything. So in short, solar power is one of the most successful green technologies, and now it's cheaper to deploy than fossil fuels in many countries. Next is about low carbon energy. What is low carbon energy? It is actually generated using lower amounts of carbon emissions such as wind, solar, hydro or nuclear power. These alternative methods of producing energy are far better for the planet as they release less carbon into the atmosphere. Next, what is low carbon means? Which is less carbon dioxide. Actually, first of all, we must understand what is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a key greenhouse gas that drives global climate change. It is released through lots of different types of activities such as deforestation, burning fossil fuels, and volcanic eruptions. The types of low carbon energy are wind, solar, hydro, or nuclear power.
The first three are renewable, which means they are good for the environment as natural sources are used, such as wind or sun, to produce electricity. Apart from this, what is a low carbon lifestyle? It means zero waste living and energy efficient living. Thank you.